this product is the availability what I can actually use my other DEWALT batteries. For example, they have the flex volt 6 amp battery, which I can just use it to install on it instead of buy the regular 5 amp. Yeah, so basically that's it, and I think that is good. Yeah, you can actually use one set of battery using the flex volt. Don't attach a bleed as yet, but you can actually hear it work. You can actually press the trigger, see down speed 7. Don't know if you hear it with the light. Yeah, I think it's a good purchase, and I think I would encourage others to go and purchase this product. And yes, you can use your flex volt battery if you already have one there too. Not just the regular battery, but you can also use a flex volt battery for other tools.
Opening the door, and you'll notice, then let it go, and the blade is inserted.